what do you have to say about meme coins? I used to call them meme coins before.
Meme coin is actually a narrative in cryptocurrency that can actually break you out of financial struggle in a minute and can keep you back in your financial struggles in a minute.
Hello, how do you do? My name is Esther Salami, and you're welcome to Thursday Special, an entertainment program that keeps you in the know with a spotlight feature that will inform, inspire, and entertain. Our guest for today is Moses Doku, who is a day trader and the CEO of Trinity Exchange. We will be discussing all things cryptocurrency, the current fluctuations in the crypto coins. We'll be discussing meme coins also, and his advice for those who are interested in cryptocurrency. So stay glued to your chair. Good morning, Mr. Moses. It's a pleasure to have you on Thursday Special. How do you do?
I'm fine. Good morning to you. So it's my pleasure to be here also.
Yeah. So let's just jump right into the topic. When the year started, I think Bitcoin was like around $90,000 to $100,000, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
But ever since January to this first week of February, like it's come drastically down. I would like to ask, like, why is this?
All right. The crypto market is actually highly influenced by the first world countries like the United States of America, China, UK, and what have you. But the reason you see the dip in the crypto market currently is because of the current tariff that Donald Trump is placing on countries like Canada, Mexico, and China. These countries like Canada and China, aside from the United States, are also one of the major players in the crypto market, both technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So fundamentally, man will actually go panic whenever they hear such news. So people that have putting their trust in crypto that were expecting that when Donald Trump comes into power, he's going to make policies that are going to push the crypto market further. Hearing that news, a lot of them started taking their capitals out of the crypto market. So that's the reason why you are seeing, I think as of 2 days ago, according to a research I was making, $118 billion liquidation happened in the crypto market that very day. The news hit the crypto world that Donald Trump has officially put some tariff on China, Canada, and Mexico. So I think practically that's the major reason we are having the dip in the crypto market currently. But we hope for a bounce back. Whatever goes up must come down. Whatsoever comes down must go up. So.
Oh, okay. So what do you have to say about meme coins? I used to call them meme coins before. What do you say about meme coins? Because I think was it a week before? Was it a week or few days before Donald Trump said, he released his meme coin, and billionaires were made. Those who were lucky enough to buy it, and then
those who hoped at a very early stage.
Yeah. So what do you say about these meme coins? Because I know it started out as just like an internet joke or so, but do you think it's worth
investing in?
Like, is it like what are meme coins, and are they actually worth investing?
Meme coin is actually a narrative in cryptocurrency that can actually break you out of financial struggle in a minute and can keep you back in your financial struggles in a minute. That narrative is actually it started as a joke, as he said earlier, but frankly speaking, it's becoming a big narrative in the crypto space now currently, coupled with the fact that some big tech companies are also launching their own meme coins, and they are also developing blockchains to back it up. So when you look at some meme coins now, some meme coins actually cannot die anymore. You look like DOGE coin, PEPE, SHIBA. Those meme coins actually, because of the faith of the investors in these projects, they have gone a long way to even go beyond building blockchain for them. Like they've expanded it. So when you look at the meme coin space, when you ask me, is there a space to invest in? I can tell you yes and no, because there is high risk in meme coin investing. In fact, I majorly trade meme coin. I do futures and spot also, but for now, I'm concentrating on meme coin trading because the volatility in meme coin is very, very easy to make you money and very, very easy for you to lose your money. So investing in meme coin is actually what you need to sit down and think and think and think again. It's not something you carry funds that maybe money you set aside for something important and go and throw it into it. It's not advisable at all. You have to be prepared for the loss. If you see what happened during that time, Donald Trump dropped that his official meme coin. Now I saw it earlier, but because I was skeptical, I saw it when it was at $13. But I was very, very skeptical because I know that is meme coin. Already we thought it has already reached its final all-time high, not knowing there were other magic that were still going to happen. So meme coin is very, very easy to understand and very, very easy to invest in. But as I said earlier, you have to consider the risk before going into meme coin.
Wow, thank you so much for that explanation of meme coins. Okay, so I'm going to just ask you, so based on everything, your analysis and all, can you give a prediction of what is most likely to occur in the crypto space in this February?
Currently, according to the charts that we are seeing, there's still going to be a pullback, a drop down in the crypto space, a little drop down. If you check Solana, as at 2 days ago, it actually made an attempt to break through a support level, but because of that news, as I said again, that news of tariff on China and Canada and Mexico, it still affected the chart pattern. So currently, I think we are still going to see a drop down in the crypto prices. But I think February is also going to be a good month for crypto, but not in this first week. At least from this first week entering the first 2-3 days of the second week of February, we are still going to experience some drop down. But from mid-February, I think the market will begin to bounce back again. That's from my analysis. So, but it's not always 100%. It's not always 100%.
Yeah. So, I mean, is it safe to say this is actually the best time to invest? Because I don't know who I heard it from, but I think one of my crypto friends, they're like, okay, when coins are doing badly, I think that's one of the best time to buy them because they are lower, in price. So will you say this is actually the best time to get coins? You might want to just chill out and observe the market first.
Oh, actually, this is actually the best time if you have some free cash you want to throw into the crypto space. This is the best time because in the crypto space we have this popular slogan: buy the dip, sell the high. You understand? So whenever you see crypto prices start crashing,
so
it's actually
I didn't get that. Sorry.
I said in the crypto space we have a popular slogan that says buy the dip, sell the high. You understand? So it's the best time to actually throw some free cash in the crypto space. Yeah, but it's still not guaranteed. You can buy the dip currently and the dip will still go deeper. You understand? But no matter how deep it goes, I think this period now is the best time to do an investment if you have some free cash in the crypto space now, because once the market begins to retrace back, it's actually a good investment because you'll be seeing some return on investment if you can invest now.
Okay, so finally, Mr. Moses, what advice would you give to those intending to go into cryptocurrency? If you could tell them one thing, what would that be?
If, like, in one word, give it a try. In one word, though, I can say with my full chest and 100% confidence, if you give it a try now, you actually you smile later. So like now, give it a try. Invest with my full confidence, you will get some return on investment. Because if you check it, the main crypto bull run has not even yet started. The main bull run has not even yet started. What we saw.
When is it starting?
Yeah, because we are actually not the ones that are influencing the market. We can't really say that this is the particular day or time or week is going to start, but with all the indications
Mm.
we are seeing now, it's about to kickstart. And for the main bull run to start, the dominance of BTC on the altcoins has to be reduced.
Mm.
Yeah. When you check the fear and greed index on CoinMarketCap, you will see that the dominance of BTC has reduced to 58%. I think the last time I checked, it has reduced to 58%. So that's a good indication that the bull run is about to start. Coupled with the fact that we have a pro-crypto president in the White House. So I think latest, I think by March, we should start experiencing some great move in the crypto space.
Wow. Thank you so much, Mr. Moses. Like, this is not
Welcome.
going to be the last of our interviews because so much is happening. Donald Trump wants to, intends to invest massively on Bitcoin. So, of course, we'll be having you frequently on the show to give
Sure,
your
sure.
analysis. But thank you so much for stopping by today. It was a pleasure doing this with you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. It's my
All right.
pleasure.
Thank you.
You have a
Take care.
nice day.
Thank you. You too. Okay, that's it for today's episode. Make sure to comment what you think about today's video. Tell me what you think about cryptocurrency. Is this something you'd like to give a try? Or even though you have a question that you'd like to ask, and hopefully Mr. Moses can answer those questions in the comment section below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share this with your friends. And also, if you want to really know what is happening, be sure to check our website at the news-chronicle.com. Share this video with your friends and your family. And I will see you next Thursday. Bye bye.